This is the view from Nora, a suite on the top floor of one of the hotels at ForteVillage Resort. It's called Nora because there are some Roman ruins nearby. I need to know why they're called Nora. It's lovely. I feel as though I'm in an eyrie on top of the world. The sun's shining, but it's jolly cold outside. This is Nora. When I was here before, it hadn't been decorated as beautifully as it has now. And everywhere you look, you just feel that you are in Italy. A lovely feeling of Sardinian simplicity, actually, with a couple of bright bits of colour. I can't see sockets, obviously. There are some underneath the desk there. This is going to take a little bit of creativity, Mary. I've got an enormous closet and an even bigger safe. Look at the size of it. 3 steps down from the little anti-foyer, so to speak, and the bathroom. Tiled floor, aqua di Parma. Deep bathtub. Gee whiz, I'm here for 3 nights. Can't see a shower. Oh yes, I can. It's in here. Here's the shower. And I'm just trying to open this. I think I've got another terrace. Yes, I have.